All right, you guys, so let's look at graphing parallel lines, okay? So in our Delta Math assignment, it says graph a line that is parallel to the given line, determine the slope of the given line, and the one you graphed in simplest form. Click and drag on the graph to draw a line. All right, so when it says click and drag to plot a parallel line, the line will change colors when a parallel or perpendicular line is drawn accurately. All right. So, oh, I see what it did. Okay, so I'm just exploring. I just put my mouse down. Okay, so I have two dots. I get that I'm not supposed to plot the same dot. All right, well, if I click a line there, there we go. Okay, so the line will change colors. So there you go. I've changed the colors. So you just got to play with it for a moment. So what I did was I clicked on a point, and once I'm there, if I go to the left and hold my mouse, okay, I can swing around wherever I want. But there you go. All right, what is the original slope? All right, well, when we have a flat line like this and we're horizontal, the original slope is 0 by definition, and parallel means I would have the same slope. So I'm going to submit my answer. Yes, there we go. All right. So now we've got a vertical line, so I just want to draw one that's parallel. There we go. Okay. Vertical lines, okay, by definition, their slope is undefined. They do not have a slope. And you think about in terms of walking, unless you're Spider-Man, and I don't know that I'm teaching Tom Holland, but unless you are a Spider-Man, you are not walking up a wall that is straight up and down. Okay. So we are not capable of walking up and down a wall like this. So our slope is undefined. Okay. Submit my answer. Yes. Okay. All right. So it says draw a parallel line, okay, to this one. So it doesn't matter how far apart the two lines are, just that they're parallel. So if this is my first one, I mean, you can see this is a really nice thing about Delta Math. I mean, it literally just turns green, and there you go. Okay. Now it's just a matter of figuring out what these two slopes are, and they are the same. So if I go from one dot to the next, I go up 2 over 2. Well, that means a slope of 1 for the original and the parallel. And this is super easy. Okay. Yes. And there we go. All right. Okay. Let's look at this last one. It says graph a line that is parallel. That's the theme of this video, is parallel. All right. So if I pick a point right here, I mean, literally, I can just keep going with it. Okay. Oh, there we go. Okay. So now my original slope, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I went up 6, left 2. So 6 divided by -2, that is -3. And that's a good thing because my slope is going downhill. Okay. And if I want to just check that, I go down 3, 1, 2, 3 over 1, 1, 2, 3 over 1. Yeah, I'm good. Submit my answer. And there it is. All right, so since we're doing well on time, let's go ahead and combine our two videos. Okay, so it says graph a line that is perpendicular to the given line. All right, now we know from the last type that for this one, we just know that it will turn a different color. All right, so I'm right here. If I pick a point, because I know it has to cross it. That's the nice thing about being perpendicular. So I really just went along so you can see. Doesn't matter. There it is. Okay. All right. My original slope. So the blue line slope is 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1. Okay. The perpendicular slope is -1. My negative sign didn't type in. Submit my answer. Yes. Okay. New problem. All right. So again, I know that they're going to cross, okay? So here's my first dot. Okay, if I go up, see, it's still green. Green. I'm trying to just go around in a circle here. Oh, that didn't help me. Let's see if I scroll out a little. Oh, there it goes. All right, so now I'm going to stop. Okay, so this one's not going to be as easy, but that's all right. We can make this work. Okay, my original slope. So if I'm here, I got to get to this point right here. Actually, if I'm here, there's a point. That's a good one. Down 1 over 4. So down 1, left 4. So that's negative 1/4. Because I go down 1, right 4. That means my perpendicular slope, if I take the opposite, it'll be positive, and the reciprocal, which is 4. Submit my answer. We're good. Okay. All right. So that's how you're going to do this part of the assignment that has you graphing parallel and perpendicular lines. Okay. And just play with it. Notice that's exactly what I did for you guys. Okay. Is I really just clicked on it and just started moving things around until I got where I needed it to be and then calculated my slopes. Okay. Good luck.